Hi friends, it's Mia. Welcome back to Let's Draw and Learn. Today we're going to draw, paint, and color a stove with yummy food cooking on it. Look at all the steam. Something smells delicious. Can you guess what's cooking? If you love drawing and painting fun things, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us for more colorful adventures every week. Let's start drawing and coloring our stove and the pots on top. It's so fun to draw and paint all the shapes – circles, ovals, even little steam squiggles. Inside the pan, we have an egg, some broccoli, and juicy tomatoes. Yum! Do you like scrambled eggs or fried eggs better? Stoves help us cook warm, tasty meals. They use heat to boil, fry, and sizzle food. What color will you choose for your pot or frying pan? Maybe red, orange, or even rainbow? Let's pretend we're in a busy kitchen. You're the head chef. You put on your little chef hat, pick up your spoon, and say, "Let's get cooking." You crack an egg. Plop. You toss in some green broccoli. Sizzle. Add some tomatoes. Pop, pop. Then you stir and stir. And ooh, look at that steam go up. Can you make your steam super swirly and fun? What would you cook if you had your own little stove? While we keep painting and coloring Peppa's kitchen, let's learn a few fun kitchen facts. A stove can have gas flames or electric plates. Both heat up food to make it hot and yummy. Most kitchens use stoves to cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's 3 yummy meals a day. Some stoves have ovens underneath, perfect for baking cookies, cakes, or even pizza. Now here comes a silly surprise fact. Did you know the biggest omelet ever made used 145,000 eggs? That's so many eggs! It could feed a whole town of hungry bunnies. Can you imagine cracking that many eggs? Crack! Splash! Splat! If you could cook a giant meal, what would it be? A spaghetti mountain? A pizza the size of a swimming pool? Maybe even a tower of pancakes taller than a giraffe? Whatever you imagine, it's always the right answer in your kitchen. Keep drawing and coloring your tasty kitchen masterpiece. You're doing amazing! Your stove drawing is looking amazing. Keep going. How about some carrots? Or potatoes? Maybe a pancake? It's so fun to draw and color a busy kitchen scene. And guess what? Every time you draw, you're also learning shapes, colors, and how to tell stories. Isn't that cool? If you're having fun painting and imagining with us, don't forget to subscribe so we can keep drawing together. Looks amazing! You drew a stove, painted yummy food, and learned all about cooking fun. Let's remember, a stove helps us cook warm meals. You can use pots, pans, and lots of colorful veggies. Imagination makes everything tastier and more fun. Great job! If you had fun, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new Draw and Learn adventure. Thanks for drawing and learning with us today. See you next time, friends. Bye!